In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect customers to a custom thank you page after checkout in WooCommerce. If you want to send customers to a more personalized page after they complete their order, this setup is a simple way to do it. A custom thank you page can be useful for sharing next steps, offering download links, showing special instructions, or even presenting an upsell after purchase. In this walkthrough, we'll do everything directly inside WordPress using a plugin, so you won't need to edit code. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your site settings, plugins, and WooCommerce configuration. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can view the plugins already installed on your site and add new ones. From there, click Add Plugin. This will open the plugin library where you can search for new tools to extend your WooCommerce store. In the search bar, type in Custom Thank You Page and redirect, then find the plugin in the results. Make sure you're selecting the correct plugin name before continuing, since there may be similar options listed. Once you've found it, click Install and then activate the plugin after the installation finishes. Activation is important because the plugin settings won't be available until it's live on your site. After that, you're ready to configure the redirect. Next, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, then Products, and look for the Thank You page for WooCommerce section or the equivalent menu name depending on the plugin version you're using. Plugin menus can sometimes vary slightly, so if the wording is a little different on your screen, that's normal. The goal is to find the settings area where the post-checkout redirect is controlled. Inside that section, choose your custom page from the drop-down menu if the page already exists on your website. If the plugin allows a direct URL instead, you can paste in the custom redirect link you want customers to visit after checkout. Once that's set, save your changes so the new behavior is applied to your store. After saving, it's a good idea to test the checkout flow yourself. Place a test order and confirm that customers are being redirected to the correct thank you page. This helps you catch issues early and makes sure the experience is smooth from purchase to confirmation. And that's it. You've now set up WooCommerce to redirect customers to a custom thank you page after checkout.